Hello everyone, today I will show you how to open, close, and adjust your fan 5.0. Let me show you how to open it. Hold it in your right hand and put your thumb on the outside of the large rib. Middle finger underneath and index finger on the small rib. Just like this. Now push the large rib to the right with your thumb. You feel a little resistance, that's normal. Once it starts to open, you can either flake it open with a quick motion or use your pinky to slow push the bottom rib for smooth, graceful unfold. Then how we close it? Just bring all the ribs together with both hands. Fold the fan surface along the original creases, one layer at a time. And how to adjusting the fan pin? First, make sure the fan is fully closed. Then hold it tight, like this, and found the fan pin. Use your thumb and index fingernail to pull out the small lever. See it? I'll show it again. And turn it right to tighten, left to loosen. But don't overdo it. Too tight or too loose can shorten the pin's lifespan. And that's it.